My name is Reina Francisca A. Gallo and I'm currently 10 years old and currently living on San Agustin Valley Homes, Cagayan de Oro. Before I got enrolled on PNRO Elementary School and on a modular class, I remember that on my previous school, I was able to interact with my teachers and classmates. I really miss it a lot. So today, I'm gonna show you my day in a life in quarantine. That's all my day in a life. Make sure you guys stay at home and yes, wash your hands and do hygiene. And what I felt about the pandemic is I felt bad for those who got infected with the COVID-19 virus. But in the positive side, you can spend time with your family, do anything with them, wash your hands, like that. And you should be safe because so that you will be okay and you don't feel anything. And to be honest, when you get COVID, it's pretty sad because you're quarantined, you can't see your family. That's why I want everyone to be safe. And yes, that is all. And what I have learned with my modular lesson is that I have learned how to divide numbers, solve them, and yes, I've also learned how to speak properly with my grammar, like with English, like it taught me how to speak amazingly. And yes, that's all what I have learned right now. I have still more to go and learn, so yeah.